Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Academy Mortgage account online. In order to access your Academy Mortgage account, first of all, you'll need to visit the official website. Launch open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in my.academymortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website. Once you do that, you will then end up in this sign-in interface. If you don't have an account yet for Academy Mortgage, you will need to click on Create New Account and register by following through the on-screen instructions. If you already have an account, you can enter your email address and password to get access to your account. Start off by typing in an email address and type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password during the process, get help by clicking on Forgot Password and follow through the on-screen instructions. After filling in your credentials correct, click on Login and you will then be able to log into your Academy Mortgage account. Academy Mortgage is a residential mortgage lender that provides home loan services in the United States. By accessing your Academy Mortgage account, you can pay your bills, view your transactions, manage your mortgage account's dashboard, and much more. So that is how you can easily log into Academy Mortgage account with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.